Hello and welcome, Tino Galaxie. How you guys doing? Today in Tino's Corner, little story, little background here. So you guys know I love G Fuel. I mean, pretty sure you can tell that I like G Fuel, do G Fuel reviews. So a little funny thing, I went to a Dollar Tree and I found something very unexpected and a very unusual place, which is Dollar Tree. From all the places, Dollar Tree. I found G Fuel and Dollar Tree, the can version. I found a lot. I bought all of it right here. I bought all the G Fuel they had there. So they had the can versions there. Honestly, they didn't have a lot of variety. It just, I like from all the places that you can find G Fuel, like Dollar Tree. What? So and actually it was very cheap. It was $1.25, which I think is 25 cents cheaper than Walmart. There was a time that we're selling at Walmart. It was like 150, and at the gas station, Circle K, they were selling it too at Circle K, and it costs $2.99, so $3 pretty much. So yeah, very good deal. I found Crash Bandicoot right here. Check that out. I only found this one can. It's Wumpa Fruit. It's very cool. And then I found PewDiePie. PewDiePie. Pew- I found some guy named PewDiePie. I don't know what the flavor is, but so some dude right there. He must be famous, I guess. Um, I don't know what I don't know what flavor is this. It looks like cranberry, I guess. And then I did find a lot of this one right here. Is the the Mega Man Blue Bomber Slushy. They had a lot of this one actually, which only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cans, minus 2 cans, because actually there was 2 Wumpa fruits and 7 cans of this ones because my brother bought 2. I bought the rest. And so yeah, look, they had G Fuel right there. So they had this, they had those 3 cans right here. This one right here, and this 3 cans, and pretty much this is all the same. You just buy more. G Fuel. It's so cool. For like all the places that you can find G Fuel was in a Dollar Tree. Whoa. I'm not gonna do a taste test because it's quite late, and this one do punch a lot of caffeine. There's 300 milligrams of caffeine on this one. It's pretty much like drinking 2 of the powder version. So yeah, so expect the G Fuel reviews on this ones coming soon. Thank you so very much for watching Tino Galaxie. I'll see you next time.